Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. Ex-People that Naija housemate turned couple Kafi and Gidoni shared a welcome back kiss as soon as Kafi set her eyes on her lover Gidoni. This beautiful incident happened September 15, 2020, and lovers of Kafi and Gidoni shared this beautiful moment via their social media platforms. Guys, check out this video.
So nice. That's so nice. That's so nice. Hooray, hooray. Big hooray. Welcome on board. Let me show you.
No, I thought it's Italian. So my eyes.
Who else was like me that played an interesting background song to this beautiful video? Guys, if you are their fan or their AC, kindly celebrate them in the comment section below. Kafi also stated on her Insta story that herself and Alebu Gidoni have been apart for 6 good months. Guys, are you thinking what I'm thinking? Some interesting comments caught my attention and I thought to share it here with you. So, somebody said, and I quote, "Now tonight she go take in finally." Another person said, and I quote, "This night now woro see woro." Another person said that I quote, "Now so we want Kid Wire and Erica to they do things, but e be things." Another person said, and I quote, "Idamo make Timini no see am." My people, if you understand the Timini story, you would understand these comments very well. Now, my people, moving on to another interesting story. Make I talk this one for pidgin English. May God in heaven bless us, so that we feel bless our pikin abundantly. My people, this one is sweet my belle. One of Nigerian's billionaires, Femi Otedola, he decided to spoil his children, his daughters. He decided to spoil them with Ferrari, a beautiful exotic car. Not one, not two, 3, guys. 3 for his 3 daughters. Guys, these cars are Ferrari Portofino. According to what DJ Copy said, DJ Copy is one of his daughters. Guys, look at how touche and classy these Ferraris are. These are first class Ferraris, and he decided to spice it up by using their names as the plate numbers of the cars. Guys, this is what I call money. Ego kudi. My people, look at it now. May God bless us. Guys, what do you have to say as you get this? Let me know your thoughts, your responses in the comment section below. DJ Copy and our sisters, they are currently trending on Twitter. Our father is also trending on Twitter as well. Now, if you know Olamide, abeg comment Olamide in the comment section below. Olamide, the rapper, the Nigerian artist with the street vibes. Guys, Olamide spoiled himself with a brand new Lamborghini Aventador. It's worth 200 million naira. Oh man, these people are cashing out seriously. Maybe I will also venture into music, because e be like say all these musicians, they cash out anyhow. All right, guys, if you are new to my channel, please and please subscribe, and if you enjoyed this video, please and please make sure you smash on the like button. Here we share juicy entertainment trending stories as well as People That Naija updates you don't want to miss out on. And Now, guys, moving on to Kid Wire and his father's saga. This is becoming more interesting day by day because Kid Wire has been going for media rounds, and this is the day 2 of Kid Wire's media interviews. And Kid Wire has consistently been dropping the gist bit by bit until we enjoy the full cake, and I'm here loving this cake, this piece of gist, guys. And I feel you will enjoy it too. Now Kid Wire has decided to debunk what his father had promised, what his father had said before he got evicted from the People Naija house. His father, Terry Wire, promised that if Kid Wire won the 85 million naira, he would make sure that his son, Kid Wire, divided the money into two. Half will go to charity and half will go to Erica. But now his son, Kid Wire, debunked that. His son said no way. He is going to make sure that all the money, if he won it, would go to his charity and nothing for Erica. Guys, check out this video.
Really, if my son should win this, I will make sure that he gives her half of his money. Yeah. He gives.
Would you have done that, or would you have, like, maybe given Erica all of it? I'm just saying, maybe out of love, you know.
The money would have went to better use. It would have went straight to my foundation.
Okay, cool.
For charity work, and I've always maintained that.
Yeah.
Not a penny would have went to anyone else because there's people who actually need it. Me and Erica have an arrangement, like we'll work something out. But
all right, cool.
I've always said if I win the money.
Although you said he and Erica had some plans together. But guys, what do you have to say as regards this? What's your opinion? What do you feel as regards this? Kindly let me know your thoughts, your responses in the comment section below. Now, ex-Big Brother Naija housemate Prince has also told his fans not to set up a GoFundMe account for him. So some of his fans took it upon themselves to set up a GoFundMe page where all his fans worldwide can donate money into. But Prince decided to put out a post telling his fans not to donate any form of money into that account because he wants to work for his money by himself, for himself. He thanked his fans and he really appreciates their efforts, but he said that he knows that everyone is going through tough times now and he would appreciate if they spent that money on themselves or spent it on people that needed the money, that he's going to work for his money. And I really applaud Prince for doing this. Guys, what do you have to say as regards this? Let me know your thoughts, your responses in the comment section below. So one of Erica's fans, she said something. Now guys, let's take a look at what Erica fans said. Now this person said, and I quote, "Prince is too Igbo to reject money. Guy legit said so himself in the house. The reason he rejected the GoFundMe is because it didn't receive any donations." My people. Guys, what do you have to say as regards this? What do you have to say as regards this? Do you feel that it's because Prince did not receive any donations in his GoFundMe page, that's why he told his fans not to donate? Or, guys, what do you feel? Let me know your thoughts, your responses in the comment section below. Some people just like to look for wahala, sha.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, let's go. Okay.
Now, Kid Wire also said some things about his relationship with Ozo and Ozo coming to talk to him as regards Nengi. And Kid Wire said a statement, a statement that has caused an uproar on social media. Some people are fighting tooth and sinker, everything joined together because Kid Wire said a statement. Guys, check out this video.
Yeah. Really, I think he was just looking at the man he wants to be.
Oh wow!
And no disrespect to him, man.
Wow.
You know,
Man, shots fired.
I don't fear anybody, man. I knew that.
But to me, I feel like this statement that Kid Wire said is just a simple, plain one. Some Nigerian actress feel it's not right that Kid Wire is not humble. Yeah. But guys, what do you have to say as regard what Kid Wire has said and what this actress has also said? Guys, let me know your thoughts, your responses in the comment section below. Now guys, I'll be running up this video here. I hope you enjoy it. If you're new to my channel, please and please subscribe. And if you enjoyed this video, please and please make sure you smash on the like button as well. See you on my next video. Bye for now.